Good afternoon. Have you ever had a goal but had no idea how to make it come to fruition? In this video, you will learn 3 steps to goal planning that will help you make your dreams a reality. Hi, I'm Kara, and this video is all about helping you learn how to create a life you've always wanted, step by step, so you can ultimately have more freedom, fulfillment, and abundance. The first step in goal planning is to identify the goals you want to work on and make sure they are SMART, which stands for specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and timely. Let me give you an example of how to do this. If your goal is to lose weight, that's a great goal, but it's very general and vague and lacks any direction as to how you will actually achieve it. To make it SMART, you could modify it so you know exactly what you need to do to make this happen. For example, I currently weigh X amount of pounds. I would like to lose 10 pounds over the next 6 months. I'm going to work out 4 days a week for at least 30 minutes of cardio time. If I cannot work out at my designated day and time, I have a backup plan to do it at an alternate day or time. Can you see the huge difference between these two goals? So share with me in the comments one of your SMART goals. I'll be sure to respond to every goal and will help you if you are uncertain how to make your goal SMART. The second step in goal planning is to write down your action plan on how you plan to achieve these SMART goals. My favorite way to do this is to reverse engineer your goals step by step into small yet achievable steps. For example, if I have a long-term goal to make 6 figures in my coaching business, that can feel at times overwhelming and unachievable. What has helped me is to break my goals down into specific steps that I can do week by week for the next 90 days, which helps keep me on track to meet that goal a year from now. After you have taken action on your goals, the final step in goal planning is to have a system set up so you can reevaluate and assess your progress as you go. I personally use a Google Sheets document that keeps me focused on what I am doing and can easily be modified if needed. As I always say, dream the possible. If you like this video, make sure you tune in tomorrow as I discuss goal motivation. And in case you haven't heard, I have launched a mastermind for moms on a mission. If you want to get a free guest pass, send me a DM and I'll send you the details. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time.